Looking for the right manufacturer for your parts? Xometry is the right fit. With our network of over 4,000 manufacturing partners across the globe, including over 3,000 in the US, we always have open capacity for CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, injection molding, and more. We also offer hundreds of materials and finishes, as well as various inspection and quality control options. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your 3D models. Indicate quantity, materials, and post-processing. In seconds, you'll receive an online quote with price, lead time, design for manufacturability feedback. You can adjust the part specifications and instantly see how they affect the price and lead time of your part. Step 2. Confirm your order details and click Continue to Checkout. We'll start production right away by pairing your work with an optimal manufacturer based on their competencies, equipment, open capacity, and experience. Overall, we have over 3,000 partners in 46 US states and 1,000 more around the world. Once your parts have been manufactured, they are inspected and sent to you. Step 3. Get your parts delivered right to the doorstep. Use Xometry to get instant quotes at any stage of your production cycle, from project planning and prototype manufacturing to scaling up your order to hundreds of thousands of parts. Xometry is your one-stop shop for manufacturing on demand. Try us today.